Hey guys, welcome to another video. I didn't do an intro again because I'm bored, you know, I can't be bothered. So yeah, I'm going to open my gifts. I've got 13 of them. I know it's not a lot, but I guess it's okay, you know. Yeah. So we're going to start from, let's just have a look at their name tag. So this is called Jessica 0713. Thank you. Okay, I have this though. Okay, thank you. We'll keep it. Just not that to say. Gift back? Sure, I'll gift back. Wow. I really don't want it. Designer skirt. I'm moving some gum, so I'll just do this lasso. Never use it anyway. This is from Awesome 123. Says, can I have gift back tie, not a necklace, please? A rare holiday fancy top hat? Sure, you can have a gift back. I'll give you this cat hat. Oh, I'll give you an also too. Ah! Enjoy. I hate it when people do this. So this is super gem. I don't know that. Please give back. Silver dog. Yeah, sure. I'll go for this red holiday top hat I got earlier. This is from Boomerang 30. Rare cowboy shoes. This is from New Gemma. Ah! Won't even let me click in it, but okay. A straw hat. They're in straws, but thank you. Give me something back, sure. Couldn't you be polite next time? Since you weren't polite, you can have this beautiful magenta necklace. Okay. They were like, give me something back, so demanding. Thank you. Can I have a gift back, please? Depends what you gifted me. A Jamar flag. Of course you can have a gift back. Decorating is fun. Decorating is fun. Ah. I'll give you the straw hat I got earlier. Now let's go on to Fluffy Bird 24. Gift back, please. Sure. It depends what you give for me. A cartoon glove. I'm collecting all the colours of those. They're out of store now. I will give you this night helmet I got earlier on too. Let's move on to Turtica. Thank you for the rare Frankenstein mask. Next is from Sharp Ada. So I'm actually going to close my eyes since this is the last one. 1, 2, 3, open. Thank you. So then we go back on Monday. What's out? So guys, I will end it here. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace.